One, two, one, two, three.
Boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. I say boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your high-hole boots with your hip hugger suit, it's alright. You're out of sight. Mini skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. Admit it, girl, that I can dig it. I said, boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. I said, boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me.
Hello, Gaby. Excited ka na ba? For sure, oo. Hahaha. Madami akong choice sa gift, pero dito na ako nag-stick. January 22 na bukas. Looking forward to shopping. Joke lang ha. Napili ko ito for our future travels. Fudge! Parehas siguro kami. For filming our mini life series, sorry. Married life of the Gabies at syempre, for our or yours lang, fitness. See you later sa altar. Excited to marry you. Last perma as Elicor. Fudge! Parehas kami. Pero mas mahal yung sa kanya. Same na same, pero iba ng ano. Iba ng brand.
Paras kami na nagalo.
Too much soul. I just said to not casting your spell on me. But I said not casting your spell on me. I said not casting your spell on me. Woo, and I said not casting your spell on me.
Hi, Gabe. Finally writing my vows. I still remember the first time you talked to me. Natawag mo sa akin, Mr. Domingo. That is one of the rare moments na wala akong masagot. Pero isa lang ang nasa isip ko. Gagawin kitang Mrs. Domingo.
Be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? Know you're all that I want beside. I imagine we fell in love on the under moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with.
Hello, Mr. Domingo. I will never forget the day we first started talking, not knowing it would become the beginning of our story. For 12 years, people have asked me how I knew you were the one. I always said it felt natural, but the truth is deeper than that. I love you because when I'm with you, I don't miss anything. And when I'm with others, I miss your presence.
My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more I'll leave my heart with your air. So let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
15 years of knowing each other, 2 years ng ligaw, pinagusto mo, 2 times na busted, 13 years of ups and downs being together, finally standing in front of you as your husband. Sa 13 years, ang dami nating pinagdaanan. I may not be a perfect boyfriend, pero pinaparamdam mo sa akin, ako ang the best. I promise to stay by your side, especially when days are hard, the same way you did for me. I promise to celebrate your wins as if they were my own. I promise to honor happy wife, happy life. I promise to be the man of our home. And lastly, I promise to love you forever. I love you.
I find myself excited to come back to you, to talk to you, and to share everything that happened when I wasn't with you. I didn't just fall in love with you for the future we could build. I fell in love with you for how you showed up in your present. Not with promises, not with presents, but with patience. I fell in love with you, not because you had it all figured out, but because you never asked me to pretend that I did.
Kasama mo na ako sa lahat. Huwag mong isiping ika'y mag-isa.
We may have different tastes sometimes, but we complement each other. Ako yung okay na to, ikaw yung deserve ko to. Ako yung mahilig sa maalat, ikaw yung sa matamis. Kapag order ng food, ako yung same order lang, ikaw yung try ko tong bago. Kapag may bibilhin, ako yung magbabaliktad ng price tag, ikaw yung titingin lang sa quality. Marami tayong pagkakaiba, pero binigay tayo ni God sa isa't isa.
Kalin lang ang giliw. Hindi ka pasanin. Ang mga bumabahala sa iyong isip, ibuhos mo lahat sa akin.
In my heart, I married you a long time ago, but today is a new beginning. One day, it will bless it. I will see you as a father, loving with the same gentle strength that first won my heart. Quiet, constant, and sure.
Sumandal ka lang sa aking balikan. Buong gabi kitang pakikinggan. Huwag kang mag-alin lang ang gilid.
Now we are blessed as husband and wife. I promise to choose you every day of my life, embracing those differences. I promise to still be your best friend, your bodyguard, your personal driver, travel buddy, financial advisor na never nasunod, your Dr. Quack-Quack, your handy Francis, your stress reliever and punching bag. At ang pinakagusto natin, your everyday kachismisan. Sa umaga, tanghali, gabi, at mula ngayon, kachismisan, pagising sa umaga.
Huwag ka nang magdadalawang isip.
I still can't believe that returning your test paper back then led me to decide the most important paper of my life, becoming Mrs. Dominguez. But when I started golf, I think I